This is the mighty Indus River. A river that flows with the history, culture, and life of Sindh. But deep within its waters lives a rare and mysterious creature. One that cannot see, yet finds its way through sound. Meet the blind dolphin, locally known as Andhi Bulhan. Yes, this amazing dolphin is blind by nature. It uses echoes and sound waves to navigate through the river. Found only in the Indus River, it is one of the rarest freshwater dolphins in the world. It doesn't just stay in the main river. This dolphin travels through canals and small tributaries across Sindh. People have seen it in local waterways, far from its natural habitat. But here's the sad part. Many locals, unaware of its rarity, catch this dolphin. Some sell it, some harm it, and some simply ignore its value. This has led to a sharp decline in its population. And the worst part? There is no major awareness campaign. No public education, no government-level programs, only a few organizations doing what they can. But that's not enough. We need real action. Campaigns in schools, villages, and cities. Media support. Community engagement. Because the blind dolphin is not just an animal. It's a symbol of Sindh's natural heritage. If we don't raise our voices today, this voice of the river might go silent forever. Let's save the blind dolphin. Let's protect the Indus.